Right, November 2016, question 5, part B. So now 5.5, they want the coordinates of E, a point of intersection. So there, whenever two graphs meet, you see that E and A. To find that, we take the two equations given and we make them equal to each other. So x squared minus 4 equal minus x plus 2. If I take x across and 2 minus x becomes positive x, positive 2 becomes negative 2. So minus 4 minus 2 gives me minus 6. I want positive x, that's negative. So negative times positive is negative. 3 times 2 gives me 6, but minus 2x plus 3x. 3x minus 2x gives me x, so x equal to 2 or x equal negative 3. So if we look across, at point E can be on the positive side, so E here has to be minus 3. And we sub it back into any equation, so there if I sub in, minus 3 would give me positive 3 plus 2 would give me 5. So my coordinates of E is minus 3 and 5. Right, 5.6.1. Now they want to know where's fx less than gx. Or put differently, where is gx bigger than fx? Now, whenever we have to answer this, we look at the points of intersection. So if I look below here, that's the graph of f of x. This is the graph of g of x. If we look, f of x at all points are higher than g of x, so in between these 2 points, fx is bigger than gx. Why? There's gx, there's fx. As you can see, the one that's on top is the biggest. If we go in between the 2 points, now some are going to use pk. As you can see, p is by the parabola, k is by the straight line, so here gx is bigger than fx. So in between these 2 points, gx is bigger than fx. We go further past point E. There you see fx is above gx, so yeah, fx is bigger than g of x. Right, I hope you follow. Now they want to is fx less than g of x. So now between the 2 points there, you see it's 2 and minus 3, my 2x values. So yeah, my answer is simply x less than 2, x bigger than minus 3. So x less than 2, x bigger than minus 3. Hope you follow. Right? 5.6.2. Now they want to know when I take fx multiplied by gx, where are they greater or equal to 0. So where is the two graphs multiplied with each other bigger or equal to 0? Alright? X less or equal to negative 2. So yeah, when it's less than negative 2, right, if you look there, the two graphs put together, they are both positive, they are above the line. And then the other one, x equal to 2. So yeah, when x equal to 2, that graph and this graph at that specific point, they both should be bigger than, or not bigger, bigger or equal to 0. If you go further, the one's negative, the other one is positive. So the two graphs, x less or equal to negative 2, x bigger than 2. Calculate the length of AK. So they want the length of A and K. Alright. Now, coordinates of K, minus 2 and 4. Because BK equal to 4 units. AB equal to 4 units. Right? AK equal to theorem of Pythagoras, square root 4 squared plus 4 squared, square root of that 16 plus 16, square root of 32, 5,66. Right, now I know it's not very clear where they got k equal minus 2 and 4, but if we look here, there my x is minus 2, so my k is x must also be minus 2. As you can see, E is 5, right, and T is 2, so yeah, I might just rough estimate 4, but we can work it out. So there, as you can see, k minus 2 and 4, right, then AB, that is 2 and B is 2, so to go from A to B is 4 units, and to go from B to K is 4 units. You understand? Right, I hope you follow. So that's where they got BK is 4 units and AB 4 units, and then use the theorem of Pythagoras. All the best, God bless, enjoy, bye.